Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Astrophysics Pinto. And today we're going to be solving a question which is a little bit different if you compare to what we have been doing in our past videos. Perhaps, I don't know, there's going to be some controversial comments, but please get ready for it. Okay, our question says that 2 power x is equals to 3 power y, and you're asked to find the value of x and y. Means that, let's say you have 2 power in a number, I don't know, and that should be equals to 3 power another number. And actually this question is a little bit complicated because we only have one equation. If we could be given perhaps 2 equations, we may solve them simultaneously. So what can we do in this case? Please get ready for it. Before starting with the question, we have to understand a concept. Let's say I give you this equation, 2m is equals to n. If I tell you to find the value of m and n in only one equation, okay? Now there is a trick for doing this question, that you have to find the ratio. We're talking about ratios here. So we can divide by m, you divide by m. So this m will cancel. So we say that n over m is equals to 2. Okay, but now this is 2 over 1. And from this we can say that n is equals to 2 and m is equals to 1. So actually we're going to be using this concept here. Well, this concept is a little bit controversial because it only works for ratios. Now in our equation I have 2 power x is equals to 3 power y, okay? Now the first step of solving this is that I have to bring this x here down. And if you remember very well, the method for bringing them down is by applying natural logarithms or just normal logarithm. In this case, I'm going to be working with the natural logarithm. So we say upon apply natural logarithm, both sides. So if we apply natural logarithm both sides, I can say that natural logarithm of 2 power x is equals to natural logarithm of 3 power y. Now if you remember very well the rules, this x must come here down and this y also. So we say that x ln of 2 is equals to y natural logarithm of 3. After getting this, I have x ln of 2 is equals to y ln of 3. Remember very well we're talking about ratios. So we have, you must get a value that, let's say, x over y or y over x, something like that. So let's say x over y. So divide by y both sides. What will happen is that this y will cancel here. You remain with x over y ln of 2 is equals to ln of 3. Now divide both sides by ln of 2. Divide both sides by ln of 2. So ln of 2 will die. You remain with x over y is equals to ln of 3 over ln of 2. Okay? Now by just looking at our equation, we have 2 ratios. Okay? If x over y is equals to ln of 3 over ln of 2, means that x has to be equals to ln of 3, and that y has to be equals to ln of 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to prove this one in our equation to see if it works really. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to prove that if I have 2 power x means 2 power ln of 3 is equals to 3 power y, which is ln of 2, okay? And actually first, before solving it with the calculator, I like to solve it by using a mathematical concept. So we say that 2 power ln of 3 is equals to 3 power ln of 2, okay? And now we can apply again natural logarithms in our equation. I just want to show you something which is so good. So we say that ln of 2 power ln of 3 is equals to ln of 3 power ln of 2. So this ln of 2, I mean this one should come here down to, and the same as this one. So I remain with ln of 3 times ln of 2 is equals to ln of 2 times ln of 3. Okay, now you can see that the ln of 2 will cancel with this, and this one will cancel with this. I remain with 0 is equals to 0. So if you can see, in my right hand side and my left hand side they have the same value, which means that this one really works and this one really works, and they are true values for my equation. Now and you will say, well, you got 0 is equals to 0. And let me show you another way of proving that this is the value. Well guys, that was the first way of proving. My second way of proving, I'm going to have what is 2 power ln of 3. So I want to know the numerical value of 2 power ln of 3. So by using my calculator, remember you guys can use your calculators at home or wherever you are. So I have 2 power ln of 3. So my value is going to be 2.141486. And there are some other numbers there. And now let me show you what is 3 power ln of 2. So we're going to know what is 3 power ln of 2. So the value of 3 power ln of 2 is equals to 2 power 141486 together with the odd numbers, which means that these are the real values, because if this is equals to this, so we can deduce that 2 power ln of 3 is equals to 3 power ln of 2. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I enjoyed doing the video, and please give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. Remember, if you have any questions, you can write it on the comment side so we can solve it together.